India, who's going to be joining Bangladesh? Is it Afghanistan or Sri Lanka? Should have been a wide, could have been a wide. Yasir Ali, he knows it. Bottom of the bat, just a single.
It's been 11 balls since the last boundary. The moment it needed the most, Sri Lanka managed to dry things up.
Nail-biting stuff. Cannot watch. Pressure everywhere. Pressure even at the hotel for the Afghan boys, and pressure in the commentary box as well. Beautifully done, slow delivery. Long on fielder in play, should be just a single. Garuka Sanket, the young man, just 21 years old, showing a lot of maturity bowling, important over for his country.
You see the contrasting reactions. Tensed in the Bangladesh dugout, belief in the Sri Lankan dugout.
Certainly we can feel the tension everywhere. Cross seam on this occasion by Garuka. In the slot, Yasir Ali pumps it, but no timing. Milan Ratnayaka does the fielding. Under the circumstances, this has been so far a very good over by Garuka Sanket. Just one more delivery to go.
Just 6 runs coming after 19th over. Tensions all around. Anticipating a win, Sri Lankan fans here. No boundary for 12 balls.
Should be a wide, should be a wide. Oh, Garuka Sanket, you have bowled 5 good deliveries. Yes, the first ball and the last ball were wide. Can he finish strong? Young man showing a lot of maturity, a lot of calmness on top of the mark, and he knows what he wants. Quick chat with Dunit Vellalage as well.
He has to finish well. In a fantastic over so far. No need to do anything out of the ordinary here.
Lovely delivery. Slow ball which turned. Garuka Sanket under pressure delivers. Going to be Milan Ratnayaka as predicted. Important factor to the leg side of Yasir Ali, where he's strong. He's playing against the wind. I think tactically Dunit Vellalage have got everything spot on. Here comes Milan. First ball, mid-wicket fielder, and drops it. Sahanara Chige. Oh, one of the safest fielders going around. He has done everything right today, barring the last catch.
That's pressure. 9 out of 10 times you would have grabbed that one. It's the pressure here. Everywhere.
Against the wind, Maza. Against the wind. That's not going to be easy for the right-hander. I thought it was decent connection by Yasir Ali. The ball never looked going away to the boundary. That's how stiff the breeze is. This is where, I say it again, Dunit Vellalage have got his tactics spot on. Against the left-hander, what is it going to be? I think the line has to be straighter. Get the batsman, line straighter or stump, get the batsman to through the offside, the left-hander. Scoop, third man in the circle, and goes all the way. A shot and a half by Mehrab under pressure, scoops it over for a 6.
Some wait for moments, others turn moments into proof. Mehrab striking that crucial 6 Bangladesh needed. They need a couple of more here.
Yeah, crucial hit, good option taken. I think if Milan Ratnayaka is trying to bowl Yorkers outside the York stump, to have third man back would be a sensible call, and have deep square leg up. That's confirmation. That went all the way in my opinion. I think the third umpire will give us the confirmation soon. Yeah, there you go. Milan Ratnayaka has got to be a bit more smarter and have a better idea where is he going to bowl. Nevertheless, what a shot by Mehrab. Will he continue with the same stroke? Tries again, and umpire calls it a wide, and extra by as well. Yasir Ali having good presence of mind. 2 runs of the delivery, and it's not been valid. Wide been called.
That 6 from Mehrab put Ratnayaka under tremendous pressure. He tried to do something different here. and given a wide and also a single, and that allowed Yasir Ali Chaudhry to come back at the strike. He's on 20 of 14. Bangladesh need 9 of 4.
Under pressure, Milan Ratnayaka, who has taken for a lot of runs in the first over, a couple of overs. Not sure what the umpires are checking. There's a wide been called. Extra run was run as well. Probably hit the third umpire is looking for something. Are we all good to go? Yasir Ali at the strikers in 9 of 4 needed. What is it going to be by Milan Ratnayaka? Oh, close, probably down the leg side. Direct hit at the non-strikers. It would have been interesting, but I don't think the fielder at short finally was interested. Huge appeal by Milan, probably drifting down the leg side, Maza.
And I really feel Ratnayaka also got away on that occasion. Yes, it was shading. You can see the wicket-keeper moving towards the leg side with fine leg inside the circle. Oh, Ratnayaka got away. That brings Mehrab back on strike. Bangladesh need 8 of 3.
Last 2 times Milan Ratnayaka bowled to Mehrab. One occasion the scoop went for a 6. The other he attempted for a scoop, but it was a wide delivery. What is it going to be in the third attempt? Standing outside the crease and goes for a scoop again. Will that be called a wide by the umpire? No, a bye. I was close to being called a wide.
Zulfikar Jan, the umpire. Seven of 2 balls. At least they now need a boundary.
Who needs a super over, Maza? This DP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup have not had a super over. Is there a twist in the tail? 7 needed of 2 deliveries. Yasir Ali at the striker's end. Yorker. Nicely done by Milan Ratnayaka. What a delivery under pressure. Only thing he has to do now is to keep his feet inside the crease and bowl the same length for the sake of Sri Lanka.
A 6 here can also take that game to the super over. But the Sri Lankan crowd are anticipating a win here.
Folks at home, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a super over in the cards. If this ball goes for a 6 and it's a legitimate delivery, we are in for a super over. Milan Ratnayaka, what is it going to be now? I think he should stick to bowling nice and full, which is comfortable. Here comes Milan Ratnayaka to Yasir Ali. Last ball. A perfect Yorker should be given out. The umpire gives out. And Milan Ratnayaka under pressure delivers a super over. 18 runs needed. Only 11 was scored. In the end, Sri Lanka winning it by 6 runs.